Sewage system is terrible. Water is not flowing well. A lot of people don't have water. It's actually a well-planned city that was planned in the 60s by our very first president, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. It's well-planned. Everything was moving on smoothly. Good sewage system, good water supply. Everything was actually in place for a typical modern town.
Tema is the industrial city of Ghana. It's also the port city. It has the largest ports along the west coast of Africa. Tema plays a vital role in the economy of Ghana, but over the years, population explosion together with the industrial enclaves has put a lot of pressure on the sanitation infrastructure of the city. Water supply is not reliable these days. People encounter a lot of challenges, even to get fresh water to use in their homes and at the industrial sector.
From the 60s up to now, we've gone back. The whole place now is not the Tema we used to know.
This is where the cooperation with Aarhus, Denmark comes in handy. They have expertise when it comes to wastewater management. And we feel with the cooperation, we'll be able to build our capacity, learn from experience, and be able to impact positively on us as a city.
The city of Tema and the city of Aarhus are both port cities. We actually have a cooperation in other fields. Some of the pilots from the harbor in Tema are being educated in Aarhus. We are sharing the experience on different levels. So we already have a connection, and now we are strengthening it even more.
My vision primarily is to make Tema shine again, to make Tema the same old Tema that Dr. Kwame Nkrumah planned, which was executed beautifully in the 60s. My vision is to bring it back to what it was in the 60s.